Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create a Power Automate flow that splits an Excel document into a series of separate worksheets and then merges each of those worksheets with a secondary Excel workbook. This is a great way to quickly assemble new workbooks from existing Excel documents in our system. We will begin by creating a manually triggered instant cloud flow. We will use this option just so we can have full control over our data when we run our tests later on. In the first two steps of our flow, we will add two getFileContent actions to retrieve both Excel workbooks we plan to use in this flow. In my example, my initial Excel workbook has 3 worksheets, each of which contains reporting on a different category of a company's financials. My second workbook contains reporting on the same company's total expenditure over the past decade, and I'm planning to pair each of my original worksheets with a copy of the total expenditure document. In our next step, we will add a new action and search for Cloudmersive connectors. We will locate the Cloudmersive Document Conversion connector, which can be easily identified by the green Cloudmersive logo. We will then click See More to view the actions list, and from there, we will search for an action titled Split a Single Excel into Separate Worksheets. Once we open this action, we will need to create our Cloudmersive Document Conversion connection. As a reminder, we will need a premium Power Automate license to access third-party connectors, and we can sign into any Cloudmersive connector with a free Cloudmersive API key. Free API keys allow a limit of 800 API calls per month with 0 commitments. To configure our split request, we will provide our initial Excel workbook's file bytes in a random file name in the 2 initial request parameters. After that, we will click Show All to view the advanced parameters, and we will select Yes on the following dropdown. This ensures the worksheets we split up will return to the flow as file byte strings rather than temporary URLs. In our next step, we will head back to the Document Conversion Connector Actions list. From here, we will search for an action titled Merge 2 Excel Documents Together. We won't need to sign into this connector again, so once we select this action, we can begin configuring our merge request right away. We will want to provide our worksheet content first, and our other Excel document content second to assemble our new workbooks in the correct order. Just like before, we can write in any file name we want to accompany both file inputs, since we don't actually need our real file names for this to work correctly. We will notice that Power Automate has automatically wrapped our merge action in a for each control to filter through each set of worksheet file bytes in the worksheets array response. Now that we've split our original workbook into separate worksheets and merged each of them with our secondary workbook, we will add a new action within our for each control, and we will use a create file action to write each document to the same folder in our system. We can dynamically name our new files using the original worksheet names, along with any other text we think will help distinguish our results. Now that we've finished, we will save and test our flow so we can see the results in our file system. When our flow finishes running, we will find each of the new assembled Excel workbooks in our target folder. Each worksheet will be dynamically named, and when we open these, we will find the secondary report worksheet available to view. And that's all there is to it. We can easily split up multi-worksheet reports and use them to generate new multi-worksheet documents with other workbooks. If you have any additional questions about using Cloudmersive APIs in your Power Automate flows, please feel free to reach out to any member of our team.